Tobermore is committed to responsible manufacturing by implementing environmental, social and governance standards to minimise the impact of its business operations. This is what sustainability looks like at Tobermore. Tobermore have a dedicated ESG committee who set science-based targets. Tobermore aim to be carbon zero by 2050. We maximise transport efficiency through our on-time and in-full policy. All loads are dispatched from a single site, loads are merged and vehicle use is optimised through backloading to lower fuel consumption. At Tobermore, we are passionate about protecting our environment. In line with our net zero targets, Tobermore have initiated tree planting projects to aid with decarbonisation and are dedicated to land restoration at their own quarry. Our people are at the heart of everything we do. In the past 5 years, Tobermore has donated approximately £8 million to charitable causes. Tobermore is one of the largest employers in the local area. ESG is and will remain a key focus and strategic objective at Tobermore. 100% of the water used in production comes from our rainwater harvesting system and our borehole. Tobermore, here for good.